Picture this. You open a spreadsheet, you type in your savings, your investments, your everything, and the number staring back is small. Maybe $500, maybe zero, maybe negative because of debt. Meanwhile, everyone online seems to already be at six figures. So here's the question. Nobody answers honestly. How long does it actually take to go from $0 to $100,000? Not the lucky version, the real repeatable one. I'm Jack. Let's break it down. Most people think $100,000 needs one big win, a stock that explodes, a business that blows up overnight. It doesn't. $100,000 is mostly time plus consistency, with math working quietly in the background. Once you see the shape of that math, it stops feeling impossible and starts feeling like a schedule. Say you invest $500 a month. At 0% growth, just cash sitting there, you'd hit $100,000 in 16 years and 8 months. Now invest that same $500 a month at an average 8% return. You hit $100,000 in about 11 years. Same money, 5.5 years shaved off just from where it sits. Push it to $1,000 a month at 8%, and you're there in under 7 years. Same principle, different speed dial. Most people never see this timeline because they don't track it. Some months $500, some months zero. No consistent number, no timeline, just vague hope. And the first $20,000 to $30,000 genuinely feels slow. That's normal. Compounding needs a base before it starts pulling real weight. Think of heating a pot of water. Nothing seems to happen for minutes. The temperature's rising, you just can't see it. Then it suddenly boils all at once. Your net worth works the same way. The first $30,000 is the slow heat up. Here's the path, broken into stages. Stage 1, $0 to $10,000. This is all about savings rate. Growth barely matters yet. What you set aside is everything. Stage 2, $10,000 to $30,000. Your emergency fund finishes. Real investing starts. This is where most people quit because it doesn't feel like progress yet. Stage 3, $30,000 to $60,000. Growth starts pulling real weight alongside your contributions. This stage often moves faster than Stage 2. Stage 4, $60,000 to $100,000, the fastest stretch of all. Your base is now big enough that one strong market year can add thousands on its own. Compounding fully switches on. At $500 a month and 8% growth, that's roughly 10 to 11 years total, with the second half moving noticeably faster than the first. What if I can't do $500 a month? Fair. The shape of the timeline matters more than the number. Even $200 a month follows the same 4 stages, just stretched out, and every raise or paid off debt speeds up the same curve. So, stage 1 is about savings rate, stage 2 is the slow grind where most quit, stage 3 is where growth kicks in, and stage 4 is where compounding takes over completely. $100,000 was never about luck. It's about staying in the game long enough for stage 4 to arrive. If this helped, hit subscribe and tell me in the comments, which stage are you in right now?